In this video, I will show you how to use Fireflies AI in Zoom app. Log into your Fireflies AI account. Go to Integration. Click on Zoom Native and click Connect. Go back to home screen of Fireflies AI and click this. It will automatically bring you to Zoom application. You can now start record your Zoom meetings. Your recorded Zoom video can be checked here. Click on Meetings. You can check your recordings here. I hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!